Good morning, everybody. Dear colleagues and friends, it's very nice to see you, and we are very thankful for your efforts and time you invested in this conference. Thank you very, very much for that. Our dean is very busy, and he is in Rijeka, in fact, at conference, but there is something good in that, because our vice dean, Professor Nina Kršljanin, will open this conference officially, and I'm really very, very glad, because Nina is a member of this CEENJ family, let's say. Jolanta expression, Jolanta will join us today, is CEENJ family. And CEENJ is a shortened abbreviation of this Central and Eastern European Network of Jurisprudence, and of course, Serbian way of make it shorter, CEENJ. Professor Nina Kršljanin took part in every meeting and every conference whenever she could join us, sometimes really traveling from south of Italy to the Vilnius and join us there in different places where we had meetings, and I'm really glad that she, as a vice dean, will open this second conference in Belgrade. Nina, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Professor. You're too kind. It's my honor to open the conference, to convey the greetings of our dean, Professor Zoran Mirković, who, as the professor explained, cannot be here because he is on a conference of his own. But it is really my great pleasure that he's not there. So I'm opening the conference because I have an emotional connection to CEENJ, although I haven't had the time to participate with the paper for too long already. And hopefully, since I soon won't be vice dean anymore, I'll have the time next year maybe. But it's a great honor to be here. It's a great honor to open this conference. I'm very happy to see all those faces in the room and the faces on the screen. It's nice how these technologies are helping us be together even when not everyone has the time to travel. I wish you all, I wish us all a successful conference, fruitful discussions, and I think we can now proclaim the conference open.
Thank you.
Pass to the so before we pass to the first presentations, starting at 9 o'clock with a session on jurisprudential meta-science and rule of law. I wanted, on behalf of the organizing committee, just to welcome you as well. Professor Jasminka and Nina have already done it on their side. I would like to inform you, remind you that we had an extraordinary number of applications for this CEENJ, as we call it in Serbian, and it looks better, I think, than CEENJ, as we would, or CEENJ, as we would say it in English. Although it will be probably more appropriate to call it that way. We had over 45 actually applications, and so we had a hard job of selecting those that could be delivered within 2 days. I think that 30 of them that we selected would be too much even for 3 days, but we had to pack them, as you see it, within these 2 days. Having that in mind, we would like to remind you to stick to the 20 minutes that you have for the presentations. If you want to speak less, that is also welcome. We don't encourage you, but we would not be angry at you. And also in line with this policy and this time constraint, we wanted to use these few minutes just before the opening, before starting with the working part of the session, to ask you to present yourself in literally 1 minute, each of you, so that we skip that part which will come, which usually comes with the beginning of the presentations. Normally the chairman, chairwoman says few words about the presenter, and since we are limited with time, we thought it would be more appropriate to do it at this moment. So I will read the names as they are on the list, and I will ask you to just present yourself briefly. Ivan, it is your honor.
I come from University of Rijeka and University of Zagreb. Thank you.
Thank you, Ivan. Isabel, I don't know if you can hear us, and if you can just say it's great to have you online as well.
Thank you very much for inviting me, and I apologize for not being there. My name is Isabel Trujillo. I am speaking from Palermo in Italy, where I work at the University of Palermo. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Isabel. And here we also have with us in the first panel, Gülriz Uygur.
Thank you so much. I am Gülriz Uygur. I am academic person at Ankara University Law Faculty. I thank you for the organizers of the conference. It's a great honor for us to be here. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Nadira Özdemir. I am an associate professor at Ankara Law Faculty. I would also like to thank you for the organization and especially for Professor Hasanbegović. It's an honor to be here.
Anton Didikin, who's also online with us. I don't know if you can speak, Anton.
Hello, dear colleagues. My name is Anton Didikin. I'm professor from Higher School of Law, Maksut Narikbayev University, Republic of Kazakhstan, Astana. Very glad to take part in the conference today. Thank you for invitation.
Thank you, Anton. We have also Professor Papchnik in the second morning session today. Professor Papchnik will be online with us. He's not at the moment. He's a professor of theory of law, philosophy of law at the Faculty of Law of University of Ljubljana. But we have Professor Jasminka Hasanbegović with us.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Jasminka Hasanbegović. I used to teach here at Law Faculty of University of Belgrade, and I, with the whole team, especially, I would like to stress that Professor Tanasia Marinković and then Professors Bojan Čučković, Nina Kršljanin. Here we have Aleksa Nikolić, Aleksandar Cvetković. They really did a great job and made this conference possible. And I would like to thank again them and all of you to invest your time and effort in this event. Thank you.
Thank you. And Igor Milinković is with us as well. Igor.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Igor Milinković. I'm a full professor of the Faculty of Law of the University of Banja Luka. I teach theory of state and law there, among other subjects. So it is my pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Igor. And Matthias Gur is with us here.
Yes, good morning. My name is Matthias Gur. I'm originally from Ljubljana, Slovenia, but for the last quite a lot of years, I've been working at the Faculty of Law of the Roma Tre University in Rome, Italy. Thank you.
Yeah. Jin Sok Yoon.
This is Jin Suk Yoon from Korea. At Sungshin University, I'm teaching jurisprudence and AI law in Sungshin University, and I'm honored to attend here. Thank you.
Thank you, Jean. Zoran Oklopčić. Thank you, Zoran. Aleksandar Cvetković.
Thank you. My name is Aleksandar Cvetković. I'm teaching assistant and PhD candidate at University of Belgrade Faculty of Law, and it is my pleasure to be the part of the CEENJ for the first time.
Thank you, Aleksandar. We will have this afternoon online Giovanni Tuzet, who is from the Bocconi University in Italy. And we will have as well Petra Stanojević, who is a student here at the Faculty of Law, University of Belgrade. We will also have this afternoon Mateus Garcia Dravin, who is a lawyer and a doctor of legal philosophy from Brazil. But Claudio Sara is with us.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Claudio Sara. I come from the University of Padova, and I teach strange, weird subject, which is called legal informatics in Italy. I don't know if you have any equivalent of that. Thank you very much.
Danica Topčiska will be hopefully this afternoon with us, and for sure tomorrow morning. She's from Sofia. She teaches legal theory at the Sofia University. Then Stefano Fuseli.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. I'm Stefano Fuseli. I come also from Padua, where I teach philosophy of law and methodology, legal methodology.
Thank you, Stefano. Then we will have tomorrow morning as well Vasilis Voutsakis, who teaches legal philosophy at the University of Athens. But from Greece, we also have Konstantinos Pharmakidis Markou. Konstantinos.
The microphone so people online can hear.
Good morning. Thank you for the honor to participate in this conference and the very good organization. I am a PhD candidate in the Faculty of Law in the University of Athens, teaching assistant in the Department of Philosophy and also a lawyer. Thank you.
Thank you, Konstantinos. Then tomorrow we will have online Sofia Koval. She's not with us at the moment. She's from Moscow, from the State Institute. I don't know the full name, but we'll probably hear it tomorrow from her. However, Olcay Karacan is with us today, this morning. Can you just say a few words about yourself, Olcay? Well, just put the mic on. Yeah.
Thank you. I work at Çukurova University in Turkey. I am working in the Department of Philosophy of Law. I have a presentation tomorrow. My presentation topic is narratives and quotes for the justice sharing experience in legal education. I will share my experience in legal education for epistemic liberation. Thank you.
Thank you, Olcay. Then we will have Monika Zalewska, who is not at the moment with us, but we will have her tomorrow. And she comes from Poland, more precisely from the University of Łódź. But here are Tatiana Mahalova.
Accommodation, little dramatic, but we are here. And I am retired this year, and I was as an assistant professor of legal philosophy at the Faculty of Law at Masaryk University in Brno.
Thank you, Tatiana. And also Martin Bukovic is with us.
Yes, thank you for the possibility of being here. It's a pleasure for me. I am a PhD student with my former teacher here with Tatiana Makhalova, and I am at the Theory of Law in faculty in Brno Maastricht University.
Thank you, Martin. And Sheila Imamović is also with us.
Yes, thank you for having me. I am assistant professor in European human rights law, originally from Bosnia, but working in Maastricht University in the Netherlands.
Thank you. Sheila, Milica Novaković is online with us. Milica, could you just say a few words about yourself? We can't hear you, Milica. I don't know whether it's a problem with us or with you.
It's probably something on your side because we heard the other online participants previously. But maybe we can move on for the time being, and Milica will try to get her microphone working in the meantime.
She's a lawyer in Serbia, former lawyer also at the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg. Next on the list, it is me. I'm a law professor at the Faculty of Law, University of Belgrade. Then tomorrow at the last session after me, it will be Tadeusz Zembrzuski, who is a law professor at the University of Warsaw, Poland. Marian is there, as far as I can see. And tomorrow we will have also Jolanta Bielauskaite, who is from Vilnius, from Lithuania. I can't recall at the moment the name of the university. And George Marković will be with us hopefully not just tomorrow but today, and he is teaching assistant at the Faculty of Law, University of Belgrade. So with this we finished the introduction.